Hello everyone, my name is Clara, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. In this video I would like to make chicken quesadillas with guacamole, and this recipe is very easy, it is quick, and it's really tasty. I love this recipe. It is great also like a party snack or for dinner, for lunch, whatever you wish. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, hit the thumbs up and comment below if you tried this recipe and how did you like it. And let's get to it. We are going to need chicken breast. I'm using rapeseed oil, but use the one you really like, some chicken spice and salt. I really like these Turkish tortillas because they have a diameter of 30 centimeters. I really love in my quesadillas jalapeños. And optional is also sriracha at the end, but I didn't use that. For our guacamole we are gonna need 1 avocado, little bit of onion, 1 garlic and tomatoes. We are gonna also need cheddar cheese. I love this yellow one. I am starting to spice my chicken with salt and then with the chicken spice. I set my stove on high temperature and I'm heating up the oil, and then I'm gonna cook my chicken through so it's nice gold on the outside and juicy in the inside. I really love my quesadillas when the chicken is shredded, so that's what I am doing right here. So it's good to do with the 2 forks and then it goes very easy. Next we are going to cut avocado and put it in the bowl, and the same we are going to do with onion and tomatoes. At the end I'm going to add just half of garlic so it's not too strong. As I set my stove temperature on medium, I'm going to heat up the oil and put over the tortillas. I'm gonna heat up a little bit the one side and then turn to the other side, and we are going to put over cheese, chicken, jalapeños and yet a little bit more cheese. They are crispy on the outside, juicy and cheesy in the inside, and with that little bit of spice of jalapeños, just perfect, so yummy. So guys, we are ready. It smells so good. Let me know in the comments below how did you like this recipe. If you tried it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I would like to thank you for watching guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.